This is amazing. Huge news. So Beeple's artwork got sold for $69 million. That's a funny number. You know how Elon Musk said it, the most entertaining outcome is the most likely? And I think this outcome is pretty damn entertaining. So how can a person sell digital art, a JPEG file, for $69 million? So let's check it out. Here's his artwork. It's a little bit bad quality, but pretty much this is the picture that he sold. So what is this? It's, I think, the first 400 days, every days as he calls it, all mustered into one big JPEG file that's now an NFT, aka non-fungible token, that sold for $69 million. So a few months back, Beeple didn't sell any of his art. None of his everyday art was ever sold until they became NFTs, until he tokenized them into NFTs, and now he's making a killing. He's making life-changing numbers. He's making enough money to take care of his kids, kids, and their kids as well. It's insane. He got to the point where he became an overnight success, but definitely do not look at it that way. This is only the payoff for 13 years of hard work and uploading a new digital art for 14 years every day. In a way, Beeple saw this trend before anyone else. He saw the NFT trend in 2007, I think, is when he started this, and he was doing them for every single day. He has not missed one day. If we go over to his website, this is the first collection he dropped. It's about politics. Yeah, the whole drop is about politics, and this was the first drop where he earned a couple million. But if we go over here to his Instagram, as you can see, he does have 2 million followers, but other than that, he's just been posting for every day. If we scroll down a little bit here, look at this, Elon Musk. If we scroll down, this is January 13th, then we have January 12, going on January 11, January 10, January 9, January 8. You get the idea. The man does not miss a day for 13 years. So it has finally paid off for him. I mean, wow, what a payoff it has been, though. And what a payoff it's going to continue to be. I don't have a doubt in my mind that NFTs will only get bigger from here. And also good news for all of you who are holding Ethereum. Since all this is happening on the Ethereum network and the NFTs are on the Ethereum network for now, maybe some NFT sites will be open to the Cardano network once they finalize their smart contract system, and then you can maybe mint NFTs on the Cardano network for a lower fee, which is going to be awesome. So really also a good point of entry for Cardano, which is, let me see here, $1.04 as of me recording this. And as you can see, I'm just looking at the charts right here on this monitor. As you can see, I'm just looking at the charts on this monitor right here. But man, good for you, Beeple. Freaking amazing. Freaking good for you. I don't even know what to say. I'm just super happy for this dude. I mean, I've been following him for a couple of years now. I've seen him on YouTube on... Let me actually find the video where I saw him first. Yeah, when you try to YouTube Beeple, is just this article about the NFTs selling for 69 million. Nobody is talking about how much this guy has been working for 13 years. Yes, this is where I saw him. So it's not a couple of years. The video is by Corridor Digital from 22nd October 2019.
2.5 years of uploading every single day. You've never missed even one?
Do not believe I have missed a day.
So do you...
That's Beeple for you, ladies and gentlemen, and here in this video, he was actually creating one of his art pieces while trying to compete with the Corridor Digital crew, so they can also create an art piece and kind of see who does it better, considering that Beeple has been doing it every day for 13 years. He's obviously way faster than anybody else doing this. And basically, as I said, he created this kind of NFT trend before NFTs were a trend. He's been creating this art for way before NFTs were a thing, before blockchain was a thing, before smart contracts were a thing, even before YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook were a thing. So let that sink in. Man's a visionary.
Doesn't have to be this big, scary thing that, you know, you're intimidated to create. This is absolute garbage.
But like the fact that you're laughing about it, I think that lends itself to...
All right, let's see the final product. What did he create in just a couple of hours?
Oh, there it is. Very good. 120. Oh, I'm done.
In Cinema 4D, posted. Boom.
Terrible showing. 125. It's not in your DQ. 120.
1 hour, 25 minutes for an NFT that he just posted. Well, back then it wasn't even an NFT, it was just a normal JPEG file, but freaking A, man, freaking A, that's awesome. If you want to check out my crypto canvas business, you can. Link will be in the description if you want to buy the Doja Lisa or whatever crypto canvas you like. Free shipping for the United States, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, and stay awesome.